How to use MailChimp to send bulk emails. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use MailChimp to send bulk emails. First, open Google Chrome and search for MailChimp. Then, click on the first link to visit MailChimp's website. Now click on Login at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click on Continue with Google and choose your Google account. Otherwise, click on Create an account and enter your business email, username, and password to sign up. After logging in, click on Home from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Create Email to start designing your email. Choose how you'd like to design the email. For example, you can select the basic layout template and then click Apply. Once the email editor opens, customize your content, images, and design as needed. If you'd like to test the email, click on Send Test, enter a test email address, and click Send Test. When satisfied, click on Save and Exit. Now, click on Add Recipients and choose Import Contacts to add your email list. Then click on Continue and copy-paste or upload your contacts. Once your recipients are added, you're ready to schedule or send your bulk email. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.